video I am going to show you how to make some flower arrangements for Christmas and also for New Year. This is a centerpiece decoration with a candle for the dining table. Take a container and fix a dry foam to hold the flowers and fix the foam nicely into the container. I am going to place this candle at the center of the arrangement, so I will make my arrangement around this space. Let's start making the arrangement. I'll be adding some greens, some ribbons and some flowers and some Christmas balls to make this arrangement. To add texture, I have used 2-3 types of artificial leaves. Then I am going to add the ribbon. For that, I have taken the thin floral wire and cutting that into 3 inches pieces. Once we finished adding the leaves, we have to add the ribbon. For that, take a ribbon, pinch the ribbon and tie it with the floral wire at equal intervals. Pinch and tie again and repeat the process. Now I am taking a golden color ribbon and I am tying at equal intervals with the floral wire. Pinch and tie. Fix the ribbon in the arrangement with the help of the floral wire. Now I am adding some cherries and then some flowers, and then I am going to add some Christmas balls. Whenever you do the arrangement with artificial flowers, if you want to keep the arrangement permanently, then you can always apply some glue at the end of the stem and then fix it in the arrangement. To fix the Christmas balls in the arrangement, I am using a double side stick-on tape. You can use glue also. A beautiful centerpiece for the dining table is ready. Thanks for watching.